Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on I Don't Want To from the new Alessia Cara album. So we're going to be using a capo on the 4th fret. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with the first verse. I'm going to teach you guys the chords, and then we're going to use tabs to learn how to do the picking pattern or the strum pattern. So the first chord is a C, then D, then to an E minor, and we're also going to be using G. Alright, so knowing the chords for this song is going to make it easier for us to understand the tabs. So the strum pattern is we're going to be hitting the bass, skipping the second string, and hitting the next two. So C, we're going to skip the second, and we're going to play the next two. We're going to use the same thing for the D, and then also the E minor, and then G. Okay, so that is going to be for pretty much the whole entire song. So for the verse, I'll have the tabs on the screen and we can just play it together. So after the verse, it goes into the pre-chorus, and we're going to use two new chords. The first one is an A minor, and then a D7. And then it goes to the regular E minor, which we learned, C, D, and G. Again, I'll have the tabs on the screen. We're going to use the same strum pattern, and you guys can play along. Alright, so I got the layout for the chorus, and as you guys can see, there's another chord that we're going to be learning, which is an A7. Alright, so same thing, the same strum pattern, and we can just play it together. Okay, so the first two is different from the first one. We already learned the chords, so it's going to be C, D, E minor, C, D, G, C, D, E minor, A7, and C, D, G, G. Alright, so now the outro is 8 measures. The first 4 is C, D, G. And then the next one is C, D, E minor, A7. Followed by 2 of the C, D, G, A7. And then we're going to end it on C, D, and then G. last one. So C, D, and then G. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out my other videos if you guys like to. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video.